ski safety in Nagano. Welcome to Nagano in the winter. Nagano has many ski resorts and backcountry areas where you can ski great powder. From beginners to the very advanced, there is an area for everybody to enjoy. On the other hand, there are many risks and accidents occur every year. We asked mountain professionals for their advice on how to make your riding safe and enjoyable. The appeal of Nagano's backcountry is its variety and its size. From the lower elevations to the alpine, it can be enjoyed by all levels of skiers. One of the risks are avalanches. Avalanches are complex, and it is difficult to fully understand when avalanches will occur. There have been many accidents caused by avalanches. Another risk is the harsh mountain environment. When you get off the lift or ropeway, you are already over 1,000 meters in elevation and in a harsh winter mountain environment. To safely enjoy the backcountry, it is best to have some knowledge and experience in winter mountaineering. One way to safely enjoy the backcountry is to join a guided tour. Your ski guide will take care of your safety in the mountains. And will find the slopes with better snow. You will be able to concentrate more on your riding and enjoy the backcountry experience. The Japan Mountain Guides Association certifies ski guides for backcountry guiding. The Japan Avalanche Network publishes daily avalanche bulletins throughout the season, which can be viewed on their website. In the backcountry. If you are in the backcountry, please call the police or fire department for rescue. Call 110 for the police or 119 for the fire department. Rescue fees may be charged. Have fun and be safe out there.